When you work on a shared document, any changes you make are made for everyone. In this lesson, you learn how to suggest edits in a document. You can suggest changes to a document without changing the original text. When a collaborator approves a suggestion, the original text is replaced. People with Can Edit or Can Comment access can make suggested edits. On the toolbar, you can switch from editing to suggesting mode. In suggesting mode, any edits you make to the document are drafts that show how the document could change. For example, if you want to delete a word, it won't be deleted. Instead, a line is drawn through the word and a comment about the edit is added on the side. A collaborator with edit access can review each suggestion and accept it or reject it. If an edit is accepted, the changes are made to the document. If it is rejected, the edit is removed. To see all suggested changes, first click the Tools menu. Next, select Review Suggested Edits. In the window that opens, you can accept all or reject all of the changes. Use the Preview Suggestions menu to see how the document will look with or without the changes. Click Show Suggested Edits to bring the suggestions back to your document. If you convert a Microsoft Word file to Google Docs, any tracked changes will become suggested edits. Likewise, if you download your document as a Word file, suggested edits will become tracked changes. You now know how to use suggested edits in a document.